This trick I'm about to show you will blow your mind. I would even go as far to say that this trick is a cooler party trick than being able to pull out an acoustic guitar and play Wonderwall. It will take me about 2 minutes to explain, so if you want to waste years of your life relying on chord codes, go ahead and do it. But this trick changed my life. I guarantee it will speed up your own workflow. Let's jump in. If you had any sort of elementary level music education, you probably know Every Good Boy Deserves Fudge or something similar to that. This is the foundation for this trick I'm going to teach you, but instead of Every Good Boy Deserves Fudge, we're going to change it to Every Good Boy Deserves Fudge and celery. Memorize the sequence of letters E, G, B, D, F, A, C. Say it to yourself 50 times. E, G, B, D, F, A, C. 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 Say it over and over again until you can recall that sequence of letters instantly. If you can memorize this sequence of letters, you instantly know the note structure of any chord. And I'm not capping. Any 3 letters that are next to each other in this sequence is going to be your foundation for a basic triad chord. Any 4 letters next to each other is going to be a 7th chord. Any 5 letters is a 9th chord, etc. The foundation for any E triad chord is going to contain some E note, some G note, and some B note. A G triad is going to contain some G note, some B note, and some D note. A B chord is going to contain some B, some D, and some F. At the end here, it repeats over itself. So for example, if you wanted to find a C chord, it would have C, E, and G, or an A chord would have an A, C, and an E. And like I said earlier, this also works for 7th chords, 9th chords, etc. Any 4 notes that are next to each other is going to be the foundation for a 7th chord. This trick is just to find the foundation notes of chords. It doesn't account for sharps or flats. Like if you wanted to find an A major triad, it actually contains the note A, C sharp, and E. A, C, and E are next to each other in the sequence, so those give you the foundation notes, but the C is actually a sharp to make it A major. Once you get enough practice of instantly coming up with the foundational notes, you start to internalize where the sharps and where the flats should be. Like I've been doing this for years, and for example, like if I wanted to come up with a B major triad, I know it's B, D sharp, and F sharp. If you put the repetitions in, you'll be able to fill in the sharps and flats pretty quickly. Why is this method way better than relying on chord codes? Well, using chord codes is similar to if you could only ride a bike using training wheels. It will get you to your destination, but it's slow and there are much better ways to arrive at the destination. When you're in FL Studio, if you rely on chord codes, you have to start at your root and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and memorize all these long chord codes. Whereas if like you want to come up with a G major 7 chord, you just think G, B, D, F. Those are the foundation notes. And for a G major 7, it's an F sharp. Using this trick will make you much more versatile and it will speed up your workflow once you get enough practice using it.